Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Briana and I have my boyfriend Matt here, aka Mott.
Yeah.
Who will be doing my beautiful makeup today. He nailed it. I'm ready for the streets, honey. So if you want to see how
Quite
he
literally
achieved this, then just keep watching. So much fun. Okay.
This is fun for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I laid out all the products for Matt to use right here because he doesn't know anything about makeup, so I figured I would just pick everything out and then he could just go down the line and put it on my face. So, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, so you'll start with this and then just like say the name of the product.
I don't think I will start with that.
Well,
That doesn't seem right to me.
I think you should start with
I'm gonna
it.
start with this. This brown stuff.
Okay.
This is going right on.
Okay, yeah, you just do your thing. You just do your thing. You just make me look hot.
Okay. So I always see you come out with like a little Simba patch and then Harry Potter. Gotta get more in here. And then some more paint like I saw before.
Okay.
There's more. Gotta get your blemishes.
Oh.
A lot of them here.
I know, I'm really breaking out. Quarantine life, man.
Okay, I think that's good there.
Okay. Do you want to blend it?
Don't tell me what to do.
Okay. My bad. My bad.
That's why I'm here, right?
Yes.
How do you open this?
It's like this.
Okay.
It's nice.
There's a mirror in there. Okay.
That's for eyebrows. Oh man.
Alright, and you just blast that in there.
Yep.
Oh shit, I gotta move that. You're right.
So,
You're right.
yeah.
Ew, it's wet.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. It's okay.
It's gross.
I washed it for you.
This is washed?
Yeah.
It's not washed.
It's stained.
Shh.
Okay. That
Alright.
feels nice. Wow. Okay, maybe like a little softer.
Oh. It looks like you do it so hard when you do it.
I got so nervous.
Don't
Wow.
eyes.
Okay.
Super well blended, I feel like.
Yeah. Does it match my neck?
No, nothing ever does.
Really rude.
Didn't know it was supposed to.
And yes, it does. It matches my neck.
Alright.
Typically.
Gross.
Next.
This looks like the same stuff I just put on.
Yeah, that's foundation. You put concealer on me. Foundation usually goes first, but...
Well, I feel like I gotta get the foundation on there now.
Oh, yeah.
Now more than ever. Get that jawline,
Make it a little...
right?
Make it drip.
Jawline so that it distinguishes your features. Oops.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
I like my fingers distinguish my features.
Oh.
I just washed this.
Well,
That's fine.
this is your fault for making me do this. Alright.
You can blend it again.
Alright. I feel like it's gonna hit the bones, right?
Well,
I don't know.
you're doing good. You're doing good. You're doing amazing.
Don't turn over. You gotta look at me.
Sorry.
Haven't you ever had makeup done before?
Only on myself.
Gotta get the mustache. Oh god.
What? Don't say anything about it. God.
I need you to look at me.
Sorry.
Okay. Oh my god. It just won't go in.
It'll go in. Well, you put concealer on first.
There's just so much on your nose. All
Really?
right, that's it. I don't care. There's
Ew. We like pounce it in. Don't like
Pounce
wipe
it
it.
in?
Yeah, like pounce.
like
Like pound. Like. Yeah. Yeah. Boing.
I don't like the sound it makes.
I love it.
It's like a sweaty back on leather.
Ew. Yummy.
How much longer do I have to pounce this for?
That seems good.
Oh, okay. All right.
I kind of want you to do my eyebrows. I just want to see like how you would do it.
Eyebrows, right?
Yeah.
I'm just going right after the lashes. This is for brows.
Yeah, the other side, well, like you can brush the brows with this and then you fill them in with this side. That's a cap. You take the, yeah.
Oh, wait, there's nothing on there.
Well, you spin it up. Like, there it is. There it is for you.
Which side first?
Okay, I don't know.
That doesn't matter. I'm gonna blast you with that.
Holy
Oh,
hell.
I thought that was a marker.
It's like a pencil.
Do I have to push it first for
No.
stuff to come out?
No, just glide it.
Glide it.
Like nicely.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right. It's just a brown marker.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Are they nice?
I don't know.
Okie dokie.
This is a little more brown than usual.
I guess that means it's natural.
I can't see.
Sorry.
This is bad TV. Okay. I gotta
Yeah.
use this to rake it.
To blend, yeah.
You gotta keep your head up so I can get it.
Okay, okay.
Oh, I should go this way.
Yeah, your nail is scraping off foundation.
Ew, really? Oh, gross. Okay, I think that's enough for the eyebrows, huh? What do you think? Pretty good.
It's not the worst I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah, like I've seen worse. Of course there's worse out there in the world. Okay, what next?
Ooh, I see some scissors here.
No, that's not, no.
Oh. I think I need to pluck them.
No. No!
Alright, what's this?
Mascara.
What?
Mascara.
Oh,
You twist it.
I know. Okay, so this goes on your lashes, right?
Yeah.
I don't trust myself.
Yeah, I don't trust you either. Let's...
We're going for it. Don't scream. You're gonna upset people.
Okay, go ahead. Wait, Matt, I'm really
I'm
scared.
doing it.
Okay.
Just don't move.
Okay. Oh my god.
Pretty good.
Oh my god.
Just leave it. I got it. I got this.
Please don't poke my eye out. I'm filled with regret. Regret is in my body.
Oh, shit. I don't want to touch this because I feel like it won't come off. Pretty good.
Yeah. It's not the worst.
I gotta go after the other one.
Yeah.
It's all about symmetry.
You gotta make it even.
Like I said my first time I did this.
Yeah. If you haven't seen his first video, no, go ahead. Where he did my voiceover, he really...
Oh. You can't talk at the same time.
Okay.
I know you're trying to plug something, but
I'm not plugging.
don't plug. It's unbecoming. Oh, you get some sleep crusties in there.
I know.
Alright.
Love it.
Pretty good.
Sexy.
Nope.
I'm sexy lady. I'm a sexy lady.
You're gonna edit that out. Alright. Oh, wait, where's Kyle?
Oh, no Kyle today.
What?
Yeah.
No, I'm not touching
yeah,
that.
that
I'm not
goes on
touching
before
that.
everything, so you really biffed
I just
that.
I don't like touching stuff like that. It's gross. It's like mayonnaise.
Maybe do some eyeshadow with the Riviera palette. Here's a brush. And then, like, what color are you drawn to? Like, what's pulling you?
Nothing with glitter, ever.
Okay,
Monte Carlo sounds pretty cool.
love that.
It's too much powder.
That's quite a bit enough.
It is.
Yeah.
What's this called? Eyeshadow?
Yeah.
I assume it goes under your eyes.
No, on.
On your eyes?
On.
Close them. Keep them closed, because this is gonna get crazy.
Lovely.
Kind of got the side of your head a little bit.
That's good.
I'm trying to do I really am trying to like do this how you do it.
I'm a little insulted. I'm a little
Well, I
insulted.
see how you move and
Look at the wrist.
yeah, but it's just not
Hard,
quite
huh?
going where I'm.
It's hard.
Do you usually put more than one of these on at once?
Yeah, I usually like
you
layer up.
layer up.
Yeah.
All right. I think some Seychelles? Seychelles?
I don't
I
know.
want to say seashells.
I don't know how to say that.
Seychelles.
Yeah, I don't know.
Seashells.
Okay.
Going with seashells.
Cool.
She's supposed to.
Yeah. Yep.
That's what she does.
You got it.
She does the.
You got it.
Okay.
So.
I feel like I need only to get the corner.
Okay. The inner corner.
Yeah.
You want to highlight that?
Yeah.
Cool.
Highlight the bridge of your nose a little bit.
Holy hell.
Did you
Okay. Yeah, it's like really hot.
I feel like I need more on the other side though.
I honestly thought you were gonna like do kind of a good job.
Why?
I don't know. I just thought, I don't know. Just from watching me for so long and like.
Seasoning. Oops. Alright.
What's next?
I don't know what I.
What about some blush? Because I look really pale, so let's put some blush on.
Alright.
It's this side.
Do I just.
No. Use this.
Okay. Trying to do a good job here.
We should talk about us too. Okay. Let's tell them. Let's share our love. How long have we been together, Ma?
2.5 years.
No way. We've been together for like 3.5.
Oh. Okay, edit that out. February 10th. Yeah. Like 2.5.
No. February.
Or like
2016,
3 and then 3 in a
17,
month.
18, 19. February 2020 already passed.
Oh yeah. Okay.
16, 17, 18, 19. So what, like 4 years? 3 years?
3 years. Yeah, 3 years. Almost exactly.
Yeah. And we've been living together for
2 years.
2 years. 2 years. And we have 2 babies.
Cats.
Kitty cats.
Um,
And we love them.
blush. Oh shoot, I was doing that under your eye.
No, you did it.
Did I?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then now highlighter. Use this one. And use this brush. Okay. That looks about right.
Kind of smeared that blue in there a little bit.
It's okay.
Kind of look like a peacock.
Yep.
All right. Well,
Cool.
what else? I don't want to do this one anymore.
Okay, we're not gonna do lashes, obvi, because there's no reason for that. Let's do
I feel like I got powder in my eye.
bronzer. With this brush again.
Bronzer?
Yeah.
That goes all around.
Yeah. Like brown.
What's
yeah.
the point of all the other stuff I just did then?
If you have to ask, then you'll never know.
What?
Super.
It's a good amount, right?
Yep.
I feel like starting on the forehead.
Okay.
Yeah. Definitely. Oh, I missed a big chunk up here.
Pretty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you need more?
Nope. Nope. No, thank you.
All right.
Now just do my lips.
Uh,
Make them kissable.
actually,
Yeah.
I feel like this stuff makes them not kissable.
That's true.
Because it's like poison.
Well, it's like glossy.
It's like barbecue sauce.
What?
It looks like barbecue sauce. Oh God. Ew.
Make it nasty. Make it nasty.
Stop it. What the hell is this stuff?
It's gloss.
Oh.
Honestly.
It looks like you're eating mud.
You know.
That's it?
That's it. That's how you want to leave that.
It's on your teeth.
You could do.
I think you're ready for the streets.
I'm ready for the streets and streets.
Not like
Streets.
yeah.
Okay, well this is the final look. It's beautiful and flawless and I am sexy. The highlighter actually looks pretty decent. It's a lot, but she's glowing. And the eyebrows...
Who's she?
Me.
Oh.
And the eyebrows aren't the worst thing I've ever seen.
Aren't?
Aren't.
Alright.
They would just need to be like, you know, cleaned up a little, but you pretty much stayed in the eyebrow. The eyeshadow is obviously trash.
It's not that bad.
But overall, we had fun. Didn't we?
Sure, yeah.
We had fun.
Oh, we had fun.
So give us a like.
I'm gonna go make dinner.
And comment
Sure, I'm scampy.
below. Okay, say bye.
Bye.